In today's video, we're going to go to the Bellagio Atrium and check out the Fall 2019 display. I have not seen it, but I know it's probably amazing. It always is. We're going to take you down a little back alleyway where you can see where the actual plants that are going to go into next season's display coming up in winter are being grown. We're going to skip the Bellagio fountain because the wind has called off the fountain today. And we're going to explain how this one little display is one of the most iconic parts of Vegas that a lot of people miss. By the way, my name is Steven. I don't know of any other buildings that are as iconic in Vegas other than maybe the Vegas sign. Sure, you have other places in the world like Times Square in New York, Sydney Opera House, CN Tower up in Canada, but this is really truly a gem of Las Vegas. So let's take a walk down the strip, see some cool stuff on this Sunday afternoon. I don't know how busy it is out there. I'm not sure, but take this opportunity right now to tell you, if you like this channel, I want to do this full time for you, bring you good Vegas stuff. So click the links below if you're coming to Vegas, want to see a show, anything like that. Save up to 50% off on vegas.com. They credit back the channel. And also I have the Teespring stuff, ways for you to email me and reach out to me if you want to chat or request a video. But let's get going. This intro is far too long. Action. So what's going on, everybody? My name's Steven and I'm not leaving Las Vegas. As you already know by the name of the channel, we do Vegas stuff. Today we're taking a walk out to the Bellagio to take a look at the atrium. So I'm walking down Harmon right towards the main strip. A good little hack for you is to park somewhere off the strip. Avoid all of the hotel parking because it's ridiculous. So let's take a look at where we are right now, okay? So the area we're walking to right now is called Harmon Corner, and it's a giant retail development that for a long time was just a dirt path when we were standing in front of the Aladdin, as opposed to the Planet Hollywood. But retail reigns in Vegas, and if it's flat, they're going to build on it. But these escalators, they are never working. So without proper escalators, we're going to have to take the stairs. So follow me. So this walkway takes you over to the Cosmo, and even though there was a rumor that Bellagio and MGM were going to buy the Cosmo, it never came to pass, and you never fail to see some interesting things while you're up on the walkway. Be careful out there, Las Vegas. Let's continue on. So I'm in front of the Cosmo right now. I have to literally go through the casino in order to get to the Bellagio, and then we're going to shoot in to see that awesome atrium. So just stay with me. I just want to show you how difficult it can be to navigate these streets in this city. Where you think you're going, you're probably not, or else you're making several trips in order to get there. We've made it to the Bellagio bus stop, and I'll be honest, I could go the main strip if I wanted to, or I can show you this back way that takes us all the way down to where they grow the flowers that go into the Bellagio. This is a little alleyway that gets you down to the Jockey Club timeshare, which sits at the middle of the Cosmopolitan. And because the property lines are so right next to each other, they have no use but to have this thing, plus all of that area where you'll see plants growing right now. So I do need to apologize for that obscured view. I'm actually right here next to this chain link fence. They have this green netting put up, so you really can't see anything whatsoever. I guess it's a surprise what they're going to be doing for the next seasonal change, which will come in January or February. No, I lied. it will come in the Christmas time, because I don't think we're in Christmas season or holiday season yet. We're going to continue on through our walk through the back way. We'll be at the Bellagio in no time. And you can hear that wind whipping around. This is not unusual for late October in Las Vegas. We're going to face this in several times throughout the fall and the winter seasons. It never ceases to amaze me how the Cosmopolitan, by the way, just took over the entire Jockey Club. So there goes your sunny poolside. There's a poolside roof up here, by the way. So right now we continue around, we just do the loop-de-loop, and we're gonna come out right by the walkway that brings us up to the Bellagio itself. So you can see right here all of the different gardening and construction materials that would go into building something like what we're about to see. And then you think about the logistics, growing plants, transferring things, making the shapes that form all of the displays. You'll know what I'm talking about in just a moment. But let's just hurry up and get into that display, because the suspense is killing me. I don't know if it's killing you. And by the way, if you're still here, I should tell you, you should like, share, and subscribe this video. I do lots of things like this in Las Vegas on this show here, Not Leaving Las Vegas. My name's Steven. I'm a full-time Vegas resident blogger, and I love to have you along. So leave me a comment below and show your friends this cool video too, all right? So we've made it to the Bellagio Ballet. There might be a few things to tell you here. First of all, if I'm not mistaken, the Bellagio opened in 1996. At the time, it was the most expensive resort ever built. It was built by Steve Wynn himself from the ground up. And this used to be the old Dunes Hotel back in the day. And it's always a popular destination. You can see as I try to move and navigate my way in, it gets really, really busy here. And I've never really seen this building at any time of the day, walking through it, anything but super duper busy. And it's just phenomenal. It's a testament to the brand power that this brings. There's been rumors about the fountains disappearing, and the hotel was recently sold, and I did a video on that, which you can check out below or on the card that flies in on the screen. So you do know that some things might be changing here, but one thing that'll probably never change is the display. So let's enjoy the Bellagio lobby. I did a Do You Know a Bellagio video. You can check that one out if you want some more details. But it's so nice in here. Can you film in the casino? I say it really depends on the casino's rules. I guess it's a given though that at this part of the casino everybody's filming. Look at how many people there are. And if you just walk through here and you're a polyglot, you can speak several languages, everybody's from somewhere else. You've got people from every continent around the world at any given moment, just right here. What other place? I don't know, maybe Times Square? I'm not sure. Let's go take a look. Recently they've gone from using these little placards to having these big digital signs that tell you what you're looking at. And what are we looking at here? We can actually see right here. And you can pause the video to take a look at what you're actually looking at. So in case you weren't sure what you're looking at right now, we're looking at elephants, because that's what the plaque says. It says the 14-foot elephants are adorned in festive colors of Holi, an ancient Hindu celebration known as the Festival of Love. And they look pretty lovely to me. Now, if you didn't already figure it out from the beginning, they grow these plants outside. So everything on these displays are real flowers, real smells coming from the flowers. They require real maintenance. So you have crews in here that water things and take care of everything. Oh, look at this. Pastries. I guess if they can make money off of it, they're going to put it right next to the Bellagio Atrium. It's kind of a shame, isn't it? So along with the Indian theme here, we do have some traditional kind of harvest stuff. We got pumpkins and gourds. Now, I know I said everything was real. You're not supposed to do this. See? Those are real. However, I have a sinking suspicion that big one in the back might just be a fake. But you can take a look here and see with me. Real dirt, real plants, everything here, completely real. Now, you remember that thing I said about if it's flat, we build on it? Well, no trip to the Bellagio Fountains and Atrium would be complete without the purchase of a $10,000 watch. Because you got to make money to fund all this. Do you hold it against the companies? I certainly don't. This is a beautiful display. They change this out several times a year, seasonally, so whenever you're in Vegas, you're going to see something new. I've never really seen the same display twice. However, they do have some of the characters, like polar bears, popping up here and there every single Christmas. But it's definitely something that you should see while you're in Las Vegas. It's completely free to do. It's centered right in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip. The Bellagio is a sight to be seen, and in a future video, we're going to be going through the actual casino and talking about the history of the property more in depth. I have a quest to cover every single casino in Las Vegas, every single resort property. I made an oath to my viewers, and I'm re-upping that oath to you. So what do you think? When you come to Las Vegas, do you check out the Bellagio Fountains? Do you check out the Atrium at the Bellagio? Is it your kind of a hotel? Or are you worried about what's going to happen with the fact that it was sold? My name is Steven. I want to thank you for watching this video and anything else you guys might do, like liking, sharing, and commenting. If you guys want to support the channel and you made it this far, you're coming to Vegas, hit vegas.com in the link description below. And you can also check out some other ways to support me or just reach out and email me. Once again, I'm not leaving Las Vegas. How about you? My name's Steven. We'll talk to you guys in another video.